Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you this week with some more wonderful information. Today we're going to talk about buying the proper wattage or microwave for what you need. Talking about wattage. First of all, you got to figure out size. That's pretty much, they're all basically uniformly the same, except you've got some countertop ones. So now, everybody's seen those instructions. Cook for X long if above watts, cook X long if below watts. What I'm talking about is, if we look at this, let's come over here real quick, okay? This will tell you, if you look at the plate here, okay, if you see this right here, see we have rated input watts is 1600, and we have the rated output. That's the one we're worried about, is the output, because that's what's going to do your cooking. That's 950 watts, okay? So that's for, and it's a full-size microwave, okay? If we come over here, okay, we look at this one. This is 1,000 watts of output, okay? Like I said, the input is what turns it on is 1550. The output is 1,000, okay? Which is a decent-sized microwave, okay? Now, if we come over here, just because it's a smaller microwave doesn't mean it has less wattage. Some of them do, some of them don't. So you want to make sure that you actually find above 1,000 watts for a microwave for normal everyday cooking if you can. That's my personal preference. Now, you come over here, this little bitty guy we would think would be smaller, okay? But actually, if we look at the output watts, that is 1,200. So this will actually cook faster than that 950 watt microwave over there. Because you got to figure, that's about 20 to 25% more watts cooking in this little bitty one than there is in that big one. So it will cook things faster. So you want to be careful though, you don't want too many watts or you're going to cook way too fast. So right around the 1,000, 1,100 is where you want to be when you're searching for a microwave. Now if you want those little itty bitty ones, those are probably going to be about 750. They're going to take a lot longer to cook. I mean, not a lot longer, maybe 35, 45 seconds longer, but look at your watt rating on your microwaves to find out before you buy one. Because just because it's the same size does not mean it's going to be the same watt. Pick the one that's closest to 1,000, 1,100 watts for your needs. You'll get the best and quickest possible cooking time. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.